77. Simplify each expression below. The first one we'll do is A. So I'll write down the original expression first. So 3-77A, and the original expression is 4x plus 7 plus 3y minus, and then in parentheses is 1 plus 3y plus 2x. The first thing we're going to want to do is resolve these parentheses. And we see that we've got a negative sign in front of the parentheses. So we're going to flip everything in here from positive to negative, because when a negative sign is in front of parentheses, it means everything inside is going to be the opposite. So I'm just going to go ahead and write the first part of this expression the same way it appears. And now I'm going to start flipping the contents of the parentheses. It's a positive 1, so that will end up being a negative 1. And this is a positive 3y, so that will end up being a negative 3y. And it's a positive 2x, so that is now a negative 2x. Okay, so now we've rewritten the expression and gotten rid of the parentheses. So we're going to combine like terms. So the first term is the 4x, and there's a negative 2x. So if we combine these two terms, we'll get a positive 2x. And we could do this constant, but I think we're going to do the y's first. So a 3y and a negative 3y, those are going to cancel each other out. So I'm actually just going to cross out the ones that I've done already. So the positive 3y and the negative 3y, just going to kind of cross those out because those cancel each other out. And now we'll combine the 7 and the negative 1, and that will be a positive 6. That's completely simplified. We can't do anything more. So A is finished. All right, so B we'll do right here. And the original expression is 16x squared minus 4x plus 5. And then we've got a negative sign in front of parentheses. We've got a 16x squared minus 8x, and then the end of the parentheses, and a plus 1. Okay, so we need to resolve these parentheses first. So we will flip what's inside these parentheses to whatever the opposite is. So a positive 16x squared is a negative 16x squared, and a negative 8x is going to be a positive 8x. And then we'll just tag on the plus 1, and we'll write everything just as it was before that appeared before that. All right, so now let's combine like terms. We've got a positive 16x squared and a negative 16x squared. So these two things will just cancel each other out. Then we've got a negative 4x and a positive 8x. So that will combine to being a positive 4x. And then a positive 5 and a positive 1. So that will be a 6. So now we've simplified that as far as it can go. All right.